It has been a hot minute since I've posted a video. It has been a busy August, but I am still cooking, I am still eating, and finally back to posting some videos. So today I want to show you one that you've probably seen out there, but why not do it again, do it a little different. You can call it stuffed sausage, you can call it sausage boats. I'm calling it sausage canoes, so let's go canoeing. Who doesn't love smoked sausage, but filling them with delicious cheese and goodness is even better. So I'm slicing through my sausage and kind of making a little boat, or canoe as I said. I'm using Italian sausage and honey garlic sausage, and my mixture that goes in is cream cheese as well as whipped cream cheese. I like the way it kind of works together a little bit better, and some shredded cheese. It's pretty dense, but a good heaping spoonful or forkful for each sausage will do. Now I'm going to take a couple of these and bacon wrap them. The other ones that aren't bacon wrapped get a little extra cheese on top, and the smoker is at 300 degrees with some competition pellets for about an hour. That's all it takes, and these beauties are ready. I gotta tell you, delicious, awesome, fun idea, but I should have bacon wrapped them all, obviously.